Hey guys, this is RD Techie, and today I have the unboxing of the boAt Airdropes 381. These are true wireless earphones, so we'll see how it looks, and we'll give a quick overview of it as well, but on the other side of the intro. Right, so we're gonna get right into it. I bought this from Flipkart. There's obviously you can hear it. I'm moving it from side to side. This is not as big as this box. We're just gonna cut right through it. They were reasonably priced. They were not the cheapest ones because there were companies I didn't recognize going cheaper, but a lot of them had issues of staying connected, which is apparently a huge thing when it comes to true wireless headsets. Is that you just, or earphones rather, you just don't stay connected. It just disconnects after a while, or it gets out of sync apparently. Now, I've never used any of these, so I have no point of reference. So my point of reference is basically going to be, is it comfortable to wear? Is it easy to use? And the fact that if it's actually working. So this is the boAt Airdropes 381. Like I said, it's the true wireless things. These are bullet. They don't have like that little bit of a thing hanging down the side, which always looked weird for me. So I'm kind of keen. I went for the blue one because, you know, techie, right? But it's like this faded out dark blue matte finish, at least from the pictures. We will see how it looks. So let me just, before I cut, let's just go through the features. They say it's got true wireless experience, Bluetooth 5.0, 4 hours of usage per charge, premium high-tech, whatever, enthralling audio experience, 7mm drivers. Apparently it's water and sweat resistant, which means you can't really go fishing, swimming with this. You could probably go fishing, but it can sustain a little bit of splashing, or I guess just sweat and water resistance. Easy access controls with voice assistance, so I am going to test that out at some point, because I don't really use Google Assistant or Alexa for that matter, but it does have ability to do that. Uber cool 500 mAh charging carry case. So the case itself is the charging point. You can charge it up to 500 mAh, so then you can carry the case around and extend the lifetime of these earphones. And then hands-free communication with serial calling, I will be testing that out. And battery indicator for iPhone devices. So we don't have that iPhone, but that's a cool thing to have. If you're an Apple product user, if you have an iPhone, get a battery indicator with it apparently. So I'm not sure how it shows that. Sadly, won't be able to tell you. But I am sure there's loads of people that use it. If you do use it, you're an iPhone user using this model of the headphones or similar headphones, let me know how you get the battery indicator to pop up. So I've just cut the slit. It was sealed. I cut the seal. Now, there you go. That on the side, that is, oh, it's had something else. Oh, it's just, okay, that's it. We have the manual, right? So I might need this actually because I've never dealt with anything like this, but we'll see. I'm gonna put that there. I'm not throw it away, not throwing it away. There's a manufacturer warranty. I like the cards that come, this warranty card is cool. This is the promotional material about all the products boAt make. I have a family member of mine have used the boAt headphones, the Bluetooth headphones. He says it's probably quite good. I haven't. This is my first boAt product, so we'll see how we do. So this is the charging case. It's a little bit bigger than an egg. That's all I can say. It's like wider than an egg, really. It's very easy to throw it in your bag and carry it around. You could even shove it down your pocket, really. Might make it look a little bit weird, but still possible. Then you have the charging cable, which is it is not a Type C. It's a normal USB charging cable, and then you have the USB end that goes straight to the laptop or your power bank or something. It has different size earbuds, which is pretty cool. I'm not sure, I've never had to choose the size of an earbud before, but it's cool to have. I'm very happy about that. We're gonna now just open up the packets. You know, I'm gonna back. Always forget to do that, and that's not good. Oh, it's nice. It does. Oh. It's got like this magnetic click when you put it back in, but to open it, it gives you a little bit of resistance. As soon as you put some force into it, it opens. But it closes right back if you don't have the consistent force to do it. So that's pretty cool. In there you have this is the right one, and it's already blinking. And this is the left one. Pretty cool. Okay. It's also it's got these two charging points, so when you put it back on, left one. Oh, it's got like the whole thing has got magnetic feel to it. That's pretty cool. I dig that. And it tells you the charging symbol or the connectivity symbol. I think that's a charging. It's like how much charge this thing has left. And if these things are being charged, you can see the lights. I don't know if you can, but there are small lights in there. I'll try to take some close-up pictures so you guys can see it better. Overall, build quality, really cool. I don't feel any metal in it. It's mostly all that silicone and rubber and plastic. That's it, except for the plug ports, which have to be metal. Connecting, it's connected. Connected for calls and audio, 100% battery remaining. It tells you how much battery remaining. Okay. So here's one thing I'm not a huge fan of. It didn't ask me to do anything here to verify the connection. So if someone else was around, if you're in a public place, I don't know if someone can just connect it. I mean, I don't know how that would work. It's multiple people. Maybe it's the closest one, which is cool. But yeah, that's a little interesting. Okay, so I'm gonna try these on. I'm trying to figure out which one. This is still left. It's already got music playing. I didn't play music. Oh, I did apparently play music. Okay, these are fairly... Oh, that's cool. I'm not used to in it. That's loud. That is loud. But it stays in there, and it's got good sound. Cool thing is you can control the whole thing with that button right there. So if I click that button, it plays. If I put it in and I think if you press and hold, it gives you the voice assistant. I don't have that configured, but gotta say the quality is awesome. The build quality is awesome. The sound quality is nice. The bass is actually quite good. This came off on a sale. I will put the price in here. I always forget the price. But the new versions are coming out. That's probably why this was on sale. And you guys know me, I like a good deal. So I went for it, and I'm very happy I did. The only concern I have is the fact that it didn't ask me to confirm or anything that I was. That is the only concern I have. But it's a very menial one because I'm thinking once I'm connected to one, another random phone can't like override. So we tested out the music and it sounds pretty good. The bass is good. The quality is good. Sometimes the right side gets disconnected. All you need to do is put it right back into the box and take it out again. It'll repair with the left one. The left one is the main one that connects to your phone. So it's fine. Sometimes when you use the button, which is this logo right here, you may think that it's not working correctly, that it's not like it's skipping. In that case, just play it from your song. phone. There's some kinks here and there. I will do a review down the line after I use it quite a bit about what I think about these actually. But I gotta say, if you're someone who goes for a walk, if you're someone who just goes to, well, I mean, no one's going anywhere now, but still, once it all settles out, if it all settles down, we can, you know, just, if you go to the gym, I think these would stay in. I think because of the way it's plugged right in, I think it would stay in. I'll probably end up breaking this because I just like doing this, you know. I'm just that kind of a dude. But it is pretty good. Okay, so that's one thing I don't like about it. It doesn't have a base. But it does have the charging port at the bottom, so you can charge, you can connect it right in there. But that's probably why it's meant to be that way. But I am gonna now test the call quality to see how we do with that. So I'm gonna just randomly call up someone. You guys won't hear it, but it's just for me to understand if it is if it's working with the microphone, because we do know that certain earphones just don't cut it. So I will say what I think about that while I do that call.
This is screen testing the voice quality of boAt 381 Airdrop. There you go.
It's a very reasonably priced introduction to truly wireless earphones, and I think they're definitely worth your attention if your main focus is music. I will put down the price and the details and the link. I bought this from Flipkart, and it does come with one, what was this? Was it 1 year? 6 months, I think. 1 year manufacturer warranty. But that's only for manufacturing defects. That said, these guys are very active on social media. I do like seeing them on social media. They're quite active. So if you do have any issues, you could probably contact them, and they'd probably help you with a solution. It feels weird when I put this in and I talk. But that's it for me. This is RD Techie signing off from using the boAt Airdropes 381. This was the unboxing and an overview. That's why it ran a little long. But I hope you guys give it a look. I do think this is definitely one of the more premium looking and premium feeling, and maybe even premium, truly wireless earphones in this price range. And they are coming out with a new model. If I get a review unit, I'll do that one as well. But I like it. I like the feel. I like the color. There's a couple of options for color there. I just went for the blue one because techie blue. But I love the premium feel, the build quality. It feels solid. It feels premium, even though it's a very reasonably priced one. Links, as always, are in the description. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll be back in the next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy, and wash your hands. Yes, and if you are going out, wear a mask. I'll see you later. Goodbye.